Welcome back! Today I'm coming to you from the beautiful Puget Sound here in Shoreline, Washington. This week we will be exploring the healthy foods eaten in Europe, including the countries of Northern, Central, and Eastern Europe. There have been many studies done of the Mediterranean diet from areas such as Crete and southern Italy. I want to clarify that when I talk about diets, I am not using the word diet to mean an eating plan to lose weight. I'm actually using it with its original definition, which is a kind of eating pattern a person or community regularly eats. There was a landmark study started in the 1950s called the 7 Countries Study. The researchers looked at the dietary patterns and health of men from 7 countries in the US and Europe with the goal of finding associations between their diet and disease rates in these populations over time. The results of this study form the basis for many future studies into healthy dietary patterns. It is often referred to as the gold standard of dietary patterns. It has been shown to increase longevity, to lower risk for heart disease, high cholesterol, and high blood pressure, and to protect against diabetes, Parkinson's, and Alzheimer's, and to help with weight loss efforts. When we are looking at the Mediterranean diet, we are looking at what is typically eaten by people living in this region. The main characteristics of the Mediterranean diet are: 1. It's high in whole grains. 2. It includes lots of vegetables. Many of these are leafy greens. 3. Fruit is also in the diet, often as a dessert. 4. It includes olives and olive oil. And olive oil is the primary fat used in cooking. 5. It's rich in nuts, beans, legumes, and seeds. 6. Cheese and yogurt are used, but in small amounts to accentuate the taste. 7. Fish and shellfish are eaten a few times a week. And 8. Lean meat is only eaten a few times a month. Interestingly, the research has shown that important components of this diet also include eating with others, enjoying healthy foods, and doing regular exercise as a part of your daily life. This is another example of how the idea of wellness is important, because there's more to being healthy than just eating right. Also coming from Europe is the Nordic diet. Evidence about the effectiveness of this diet also started with the 7 Countries Study. It is similar to the Mediterranean diet in that it's high in vegetables and whole grains and moderate in fat and meat consumption. However, the environment is very different in Norway. So instead of olives, nuts, and beans, the Nordic diet is high in canola oil, root vegetables, summer berries, and cod. What I love about these diets are that they are delicious and satisfying ways to eat. No need to remove entire food categories from your diet as many fad diets require. These can be sustained for a lifetime. We are looking forward to discussing the foods of Europe with you this week in the discussions.